Okay, I'm gonna pick up my January issue from the Rapaport because I lost mine. I'm gonna buy a new one. 10 years ago, 15 years ago, 5 years ago were different prices from they are today.
Yeah. Is it your first time here?
Maybe, yeah. It's my first time here. But it's information that gets you an idea of how the market is going, and every issue has these red pages on the inside, and the red pages tell you exactly what diamonds went up in value, what diamonds went down in value, and every color, clarity. It's like a chart. I'll show you. You could figure out. I can't give you away this information because it's privileged information, but we don't just pull the prices out of the sky.
Could find that out, but for right now, I doubt we're going to be able to.
We can come back another time. I'm gonna give you my phone number. I actually had a feeling something like that would happen. I wasn't planning it.
Right, especially for the camera.
Well, I'm being recorded, so it's only fair if I record. No, I'm just...
What are you interested in? Were you interested in bigger size stones?
Solitaires.
Solitaires.
I want to show that there's value in diamonds.
Okay.
That they're even being auctioned off and bought and resold and back and forth.
So first, it's for a little bit more for your vlog.
YouTube, Instagram.
We'll talk with management and probably talk about the next time we have an auction for a single stone auction.
Yeah, it would be cool if someone actually writes a story about me in the Rapaport also. Because I'm doing big things.
Add in there.
Call me, alright?
I will.
Brands you need to know. Nekta, GIA, and Rapaport. This is the January 2020 issue. Okay, it says somewhere on here, it is illegal and unethical to reproduce this price sheet. Please do not make copy. The red page, that comes, depending on the shape, fancy shapes every month. Anyway, let's find the part. Ooh. If you're a statistics guy, you have a lot of fun with all this right here. All these charts, like according to this chart, it's not about just owning a diamond, it's about owning a large diamond. The bigger your diamond is, the more rare it is, and it'll go up in value. 20-year performance for a 3-carat D internally flawless, 45%, according to this bar graph. That's a D internally flawless. Guess what? The F VVS2 3-carat, 20-year performance, 70% increase, 20 years on the 3-carat F VVS2, and you got to wear it and enjoy it for 20 years, and it's now worth 70% more. So I can't buy diamonds, 3-carat F VVS diamonds today for the same price I would have bought them when I started in the industry 1999. So the G VS1 3-carat diamond went up 60% in the last 20 years. The ISI1, which is a very common color and clarity because it looks amazing and the price is always low, it still went up 40%. Get this, the KSI2 went up 50% in the last 20 years. Other sizes also went up. For example, 5 carats were up. From 2005 to 2008, if you would have bought a 5-carat diamond in 2005, you had a 140% increase in 2008, 160% increase in 2011, all the way to 2012, up 120%. The stats don't lie, folks. I got it all right here.
Mike Nekta is one of the best diamond dealers in the country. If you want to buy a diamond, get it from Mike. He's a graduate from the GIA, Gemological Institute of America. Buy your diamonds from him. Best price in the whole country.
Okay, but listen, that's not why I called you here. I got tons of people giving me testimonial. I realized that may have been way too much information for someone to just grab and grasp in one instant. Listen, let me summarize. Here's what I'm trying to express to you. The bigger the diamond is, the more rare by nature. It's not like with gold nugget where you can find a little gold nugget and then find another gold nugget and combine them together and you have a big chunk of gold. It works the other way around when it comes to diamonds. It's hard to find the bigger crystal. And actually, when you find, for example, a 5 or a 6-carat crystal, you'll cut it down to a 3-carat. So that makes the 3-carat diamond more valuable because you can't take 3 1-carat diamonds and somehow combine them to a big 3-carat diamond. It's all about rarity. So, what I was trying to express to you here, if you would have invested in a 3-carat diamond 20 years ago, today, and let's say that color was a FVS2, which is a respectable color and clarity, it's beautiful, it's colorless, the entire globe respects the FVVS2. There's a price increase in the last 20 years, according to the stats right here, which state that stone went up to 75%. So you get to wear and enjoy the diamond for 20 years, and it doesn't go down in value like anything else you purchased in those 20 years. Think of anything else you purchased, but down in value. Probably maybe not your house, but everything else went up. Went down in value. The diamond went up. So shoot for buying bigger diamonds, nice respectable qualities. But still, the bigger the diamonds are, the more rapidly they go up in value. These are stats that are proven and published. You know what to do. Take some of your money and diversify your investment and buy some big beautiful diamonds that you get to wear and enjoy. Your wife will appreciate them, your girlfriend will appreciate them, you may appreciate them. Actually, let me just stop and say, it's 2020. You don't need to wait for a man to buy your diamond. Can I get an amen? Thank you very much. Buy your own diamond. And also, buy a big, beautiful diamond and enjoy it. And it's okay to say, I bought this for myself 2 months ago. She was like 65, 70 years old, professional. Her husband didn't have to be involved. $155,000 later, she had a big, beautiful diamond on her finger. She didn't have to wait for a man to buy it for her. Regardless of who's buying it, just buy it and you'll be happy. The bigger it is, the safer you are, and the more beautiful it is.